Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload video on TikTok from your Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on this plus icon so you can record any video. But if you do not want to record, then you need to click on uploads and select any video. I'm going to select the first one and then I need to click on next. So you can see that the video is now uploading. We will wait few seconds and it will be uploaded shortly. Once it is uploaded, then I need to click on next, and here I need to describe about the video. Like I'm going to add how to, and then here is the option of adding hashtag. I'm going to add a random hashtag, and here is the option of allow duet, allow switch. I simply need to who can watch this video, so I am sharing this with my friends, and then I need to click on post. So you can see that the video is now uploading and it will show here shortly. So it is now uploading and you can see that the video is now posted. So by following these steps, you can easily upload video on TikTok in 2022. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.